Why would I want to drink from this and that, after my hard workout session, when I can be drinking from that PURITI filtration bottled water system? Hello there, my name is Dr. Evelyn Tawia, and I'm just so pleased to announce to you the PURITI filtration water system, 24/7 filtered bottled water on the go. Now, I've had the opportunity to do my workout this morning, and rather than to fill myself with all the things in the plastic bottled water, which I do not know what it contains, I can now have my own filtered bottled water 24/7 everywhere I go. So now, after a hard workout, I just flip the top open, pull the spout out, and beautiful, fresh water to keep me hydrated as I continue my day-to-day work. Now, why do I love this so much? Now, I love it because it is a very, very simple system. So rather than constantly buying bottled water or filtered bottled water at home, in the gym, at work, I have my own system, which is simple to use. It's a two-piece system. The filter, which goes into the bottle, fill the bottle up with water. If you're out hiking, camping, mountaineering, cycling, camping, whatever it is you're doing, you can have water from that source, whether it's tap water, it's river water, pond water, water from the well, whatever source of water you got. Put it in there, screw it on, and that's you going. This will save you money over and over and over again, whilst you remain hydrated. Because as a medical doctor, I cannot stress enough, and you know how important it is to keep hydrated. This will keep you going without the worry of trying to find money and time to get this. Now, secondly, we all do know about the environmental crisis, the mountain, plastic mountain, as I'll describe it, which we need to deal with. So your way of doing it and my little way of doing it is to ditch the plastic and have your own little system on the go. Excellent for traveling. I travel a lot. I love to travel to different places, and I worry about the quality of water that I have when I go to these places, because I do not want to get the diarrhea or the loose stool and the vomiting and ruin my holidays. So with that, I can travel around now with absolute peace and joy and not worry that I'm going to get some horrible infection. So click on the link below and get your filtration, personal filtration system now. One for you and one for your loved one. Click on the link below for your personal bottle.